Hello, I'm doing this again. I tried it once already, and the Gemini decided that it wanted to do it again. So here we are. We're in Gemini, and you'll notice it says Gemini Advanced because I pay for the Pro Gemini. I also pay for Pro Chat GPT. It's a struggle. But in here, in the last video, I was showing how you could write posts you could write a prompt for Gemini to create posts for each platform. And you'll notice here is Facebook, and it tells you what kind of image should go there. And for Instagram, same thing, what type of image. LinkedIn, and this type of image, and this is the caption. And then TikTok is the same thing, and you'll create a video for that. And then I asked it to please create an image for each, and it says that it cannot do that. So let us do another one where we're going to talk about, please generate posts for Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn that I can use for ads promoting my inventory of EVs. My dealership is Northwest Autos, located in Portland, Oregon. Please use www.northwestautos.com. And if this is a real company, I'm just using it as an example. So after I do that, I'm going to hit enter. And it's thinking, it's doing its thing. I didn't ask for it to create an image in this one. So I don't know exactly. I asked for it to create an ad. Maybe I'll have to do this in a different one. Let's try new. Because it's still... Gemini, again, is a work in progress, just like any of the others. So here's how it's going to... Here's what it's looking at for the ads. And you can see, go green without compromising on style or performance. Northwest Autos in Portland has a wide selection of EVs in stock and ready for you to test drive. Visit our website or stop by our dealership, and there's the link. And so it also offers you information about how to set up your ads and who to target and how to for best quality and best ROI, right? Consider offering a special incentive like a discount or free charging, or encourage people to visit your dealership. So you take this, and what I was going to do is copy it. You can create a public link, you can select text, which that's a good thing, or you can copy text, and then you come in here and you take, it used to be, and in ChatGPT you'll go over to your Facebook page, and then you'll come in here. I'm growing my Facebook page. My other pages have a lot more following. And then you'll enter your website. And so for my purposes here, I'll do and it'll generate. We also may want, though this would be for an ad, this isn't how you set up your ads. I'm just creating a post for now. We do PDX, auto marketing. I suggest that you create a branded hashtag. Branded hashtags are great for user-generated content, and they really help with engagement or for people to find you. So EV, hashtag EV, hashtag geoelectric, we could use that. And I am not going to, because I don't have a dealership, I'm a marketing agency. So, and I'm going to be deleting this. So I'll hit next, and then I'll hit post. Usually I would put it into different groups, but this is just an example. And there you go. This is the one I just did with the other Gemini request for a post, and I put in a meme or a GIF just to make it funny. And then I shared it to the different groups. So there's that. And you notice you can do it for Instagram and TikTok and LinkedIn, and you could do it for Pinterest or Blue Sky or any of the other social networks on the internet. You could also ask it to create a blog for you, so it's a quick copy and paste or edit, copy and paste into your website. There's so many things you can do with this. Just go have some fun with it.